Sounds from a patient monitor in the theater of Ndu Baptist Health Center as the anesthetist does his checks to ascertain its functionality. The patient monitor is just one of the many equipment that has been installed in the newly constructed theater.
Ndu Baptist Health Center is fortunate in the sense that they have what it takes for a theater to function as far as equipment is concerned. And I think what we are waiting for now to start functioning is manpower. And I'm sure in no distant time it's going to be available.
Following the installation and final setup of the unit, the team was upbeat on the standard of the equipment.
In terms of equipment, we have all it takes to give standard care to patients. We instead have spare equipment, which means in case one of the equipment is not functioning, before it is being repaired, we can have another one in use.
The project, comprising a surgical block, private wards and a theater, has been long awaited by the Ndu populace, and coming thus far was a time to salute every muscle that has been stretched to get the project realized.
I want to thank God for the strength, good health and enablement that has given us the opportunity to carry on this project. We want to give thanks to CAF's office, the procurement officers, TSD administrators, the drivers, actually everybody who contributed in making sure that we get the materials to forward them to Ndu.
The population of Ndu says the coming of the theater at Ndu Baptist Health Center will move them towards the kind of care that they've wanted to have in the past but have not been able due to lack of such a facility. And so the installation of a theater at Ndu Baptist Health Center is actually a prize jewel to the population here in Ndu and even beyond in the entire Donga Amandu division. Akem Olives and Quine in Ndu.